Can I dare imagine that I am what I want to be? Well, I can. I've done it a number of times. I've done it successfully for many that I love dearly, many that I do not know. I have failed often too, but the failure is in me. It is not in the Lord. Imagination plus faith is the stuff out of which we make the world. We are told all things were made in this manner. If tonight I can stand here and simply, quietly imagine a state and really believe that my imaginal act is God's act, go unconcerned as to the results will follow me. For that imaginal act was causal at the moment that I did it. I may try to trace the effect and give all credit to a physical cause. Every physical effect has an imaginal cause and not a physical cause. A physical cause only seems. It is a delusion of our fading memory. We do not remember when we imagined it.